I am buying the cheapest items on eBay. What could possibly go wrong? The rules are simple. I have to search for an item, sort by buy it now and cheapest, and hit checkout. Simple as that. I don't want to get scammed. I actually want to try to find good items on eBay. What about a PlayStation? PlayStation console lot. I feel that's a good search, right? Brand new PS5. What? These are fireworks. Wait, they're selling fireworks. They put a PS5 controller on it. Oh my God. Hit me up for prices if you know, you know. What do we need? What do we need in our lives?
A graphics card.
Oh, just graphics card, the cheapest graphics card in
Just,
eBay.
yeah.
I'm gonna regret this decision. Oh no! Asus graphics card, $15, $11 shipping. What is this? I mean, I guess we'll just buy the mystery $15 graphics card and see what it is. Drake and Josh, Game Boy Advance inbox sealed for $16 shipped? Add to cart, let's go. That's an easy one. What about like an old school Mac? Like iMac maybe? The cheapest one that's actually functioning is a late 2006 iMac. It's $25, however it is $45 shipping. Which to be fair, this is a big thing. Let me actually read it here. Had some video related issues, that's gone away since a reinstall of OS 10.6.8. Had signs of previously being open. I mean look, this was a cool looking iMac. I mean it's very old. Honestly, I haven't played with an old Mac like this in a while. I'm gonna add that to cart. I'm gonna deeply regret this search. I just said show more results and now I have women's bulk underwear panties.
I also see that.
I don't.
$5? Why?
40 pack.
Wait. So I scrolled down and it
No.
gives computer specs. Like it has these underwear. This underwear has a GTX 1060 in there.
Good game.
Nice game.
Nice game. I'm gonna search up nice game. Oh, here we go. We can get Wii Zumba Fitness 2 for 99 cents. Okay, look, not that I'm gonna sit here on my high horse, but what's the point of selling a game for $1 on eBay? Like, what are you gonna get after seller fees? 35 cents? No. HTC One for $18. This is still one of my favorite phones of all time. For 18 bucks, man, sold. Easy sold. Oh, I found a gaming laptop for $125. Do we buy the shittiest gaming laptop on eBay? Subscribe to find out. Okay, so I did not order a Lee & Lee case. You do know that, right?
I just grabbed what came in.
Inside, we have the iMac. Oh, good Lord. Look how, you see how dusty this is? Wait, I can write my name on it.
You can't say that anymore.
I can't say that?
Yeah.
Is he hey-guysing? Is he hey-guysing?
No. This was listed as a late 2006 24-inch iMac. Checked out, won the auction, and then I got a message saying, hey, it doesn't boot anymore. Do you still want it? So this is a total crapshoot. He said it had video issues and he reinstalled macOS and it worked, but it then stopped working and he didn't want to deal with it after I had already purchased it. So, very real shot that I plugged this in and nothing happens whatsoever. Ha eBay! That sounds.
Oh, that is not sounding good.
What a lovely chime.
Did we scam eBay?
Hey! Whoa! This $25 iMac that was supposedly broken booted up first try. I think we all have to be appreciative and accept the fact that today's our lucky day. This is showing up as the iMac 6-1, so Core 2 Duo, 2 gigahertz. We've got 2 gigabytes of RAM. Graphics, we've got ourselves a GeForce 7300 GT and a 1920 by 1200 screen. The memory tab is blank. It's forgotten that it has memory. Oh, it does, it's frozen. The mouse moves and nothing else. It's locked.
Well, I mean, it turned on. That's more than you thought it was gonna
Did
do.
we get $25 worth of fun out of this yet? I will not be deterred. You cannot hold me down. Absolutely not. Mr. eBay, you got another thing coming because next up we have the HTC One M7. It is locked but fully functional according to this. So I actually think that this phone has aged really well. It's got the kind of the antenna lines which are much more common these days. It also has a 1080p screen. This screen size even today feels terrific. The speakers were great. It's got the IR blaster on top. You could be a dick at like a restaurant or whatever by changing all the TVs to Maury. You are not the father.
Maury?
What, Matt?
What's your deal,
What?
man?
Did you read the description of this?
Yes. It's locked, but it says fully functional.
Did you see where it's locked to?
Brent?
The company that doesn't exist anymore?
Matt, I bought this on the hope that it would work on Wi-Fi and that I could activate it on Wi-Fi. This is a 50-50 shot. Are we all ready for this? Yep, there you go. LED's on, charging. Step 1, it is not totally dead. Step 2, please work. If this does not let me get it on Wi-Fi and activate, I am going to actually cry on camera.
That'd be great content.
It might let me do it. It might let me do it right now. It's letting me sign into a Google account. It's letting me sign into a Google account. Red alert, red alert. I'm not signing in with Google Plus. Skip.
Google Plus is on there?
Google Plus is on there, yeah.
Am I in your circle?
No. I'm in the interface. We did it. $18.50 for the greatest smartphone of all time that you can't use on Sprint anymore because it doesn't exist, but it's working, it's alive! Okay, we're now recording on the HTC One. And as you can see, actually, for all the cameras that we test on things like Mystery Tech, honestly, this is not bad. I think that this video's been saved. Hey, look at that, it's actually even pretty snappy. Look.
Oh.
One of the speakers is dead. I'm telling you, these speakers were amazing. One of them in the last 9 years may or may not be dead right now. Not only is one of the speakers dead, the other one sounds like it's blown out. Take my word for it. Boom sound was great, I'm telling you, it was great. Issues, problems, if you ignore them, they will eventually go away. If the IRS can't contact you, then what are they gonna say? What, levy your wages or something? Wow, you were incredibly on point with that. As we all know, ignore your problems and they go away in life. Wow, that box looks horrible. Just gently.
That might be a
Thank
box.
you. One of the things that I really like about eBay, you get a little bit of homemade creativity. Oh, okay. Well packed. All right, what?
Well,
Oh no. Is this our gaming laptop? Wow, that smells like a smoker's room from 2004.
that is a beefy laptop.
Behold, my friends, the gaming laptop of my dreams. I will say, someone could have spent all of 30 seconds to wipe off the literal dirt. Grungy would be the word. A little crunchy. So it came with Home Premium and it was refurbished. Interesting. It also has the removable battery.
What the hell is even that?
Behold. Wow.
The screen's in decent condition.
It smells exactly like 2006. Does everyone remember 2006?
I was 6. So no, I don't remember 2006 super well.
Now, I think nothing will tell you the age of this laptop more than the size of the trackpad. Yes, my friends, that is about a 2-finger trackpad.
So with shipping,
Yep.
you paid $105.
For a gaming laptop, that seems reasonable. Windows Vista, let's go! Wow, look at the ghosting. Wow. Oh, it actually knows. We're in August. Oh. All right, I'm gonna plug this into Ethernet. The first time a Windows Vista computer has been online since 2011. We've got a Core 2 Duo at 1.5 gigahertz, 2 gigs of RAM, 32-bit operating system. So here's a problem. The fact that there's no driver installed is very bad. How are you supposed to game with no drivers? So to actually game on this, I'm gonna have to go and download some drivers.
Whoa.
Well, that doesn't work anymore.
Next item is gonna stay away from this side of the table. I'm just gonna put those good vibes out there. This, my friends, is a Nintendo DS Lite. This is actually in really quite solid condition, which cost
$55.
55 bucks. Is this what I think it is? The one and only Drake and Josh for Game Boy Advance. Looks actually like it's still brand new-ish. I'm gonna admit, I did not really watch Drake and Josh, so I think this is gonna be a little wasted on me.
Wait.
I know.
Wait.
This is like what?
11 bucks?
This might be the cheapest sealed Game Boy game of all time. There are precious few sealed Game Boy games in the world, and I don't think this is one of them. You could have seizures, battery leakage.
That was not funny. It's just, why was that the first thing you said opening the instructions?
Seizures! Movements repetitifs et tensions oculares. Whoever in the comment, I was speaking
Dutch.
French?
Portulatin. It has power! Shout out to the person who sold this to me with no charger but a charged battery. You're a kind soul.
Look, Austin, it's gonna take some time to realign. But if you look inside, you'll realize. I forgot the rest of the
Is that the
lyrics.
theme song?
Yeah. If this theme song doesn't start up right now.
What kind of generic bullshit is this? Let me play the game. Is this supposed to be school? Oh, I'm supposed to sneak around everybody and they heard me. Oh, look, she's gonna find me. Run, 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 run. Ah, the door's locked! So I can see why Drake and Josh, new in box after all these years, was dirt cheap because it is a bad game. But you know what's not bad? The DS Lite. What a great time to remind you to subscribe to the channel and ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button, because otherwise you'll be forced to use this until the end of time. This is very newspapery. Oh, the PSP. Ew! What's that on the corner? That's like some goo. There's some goo on this PSP.
Don't pick at it.
I think it's nail polish. Actually, I can scrape it off. It's fine.
The PSU.
I'm a little concerned about the quality of this. First of all, the screen is wildly scratched up. It also is missing the little nubbin for your analog stick, so it's just the actual plastic bit. I am really concerned about what's going on here, though. It's almost like something on the inside ripped and like bulged this whole thing out. Let's take a look at Force Unleashed. All right, let's see if this PSP wants to PS Wii.
You had PSP Go right there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it is seemingly functional. Here's a little problem. I think it's gonna make me update my PSP firmware. Yep, I don't know if 3.95 is a version of the firmware you can do things on. Unfortunately, I can't play the game without it, so I think I'm gonna have to just update. Listening to this. While the PSP was great, UMDs were such a dumb idea. And I can't update because the battery is low, but there's no battery. We're getting really close to this side of the table right now. At this point in the video, I would say we're doing quite well. That's my Wii. Okay. So I actually got a message from this person who may or may not have been like, "Are you Austin?" And they included not only the 99-cent version of Zumba Fitness for the Wii, but also free of charge Wii Fit. So thank you, Jarrett, for your kind donation of an extra game. Sadly, I do not have a balance board, but I do appreciate this 99-cent Wii game that I got on eBay. Does anyone know how to do Zumba?
Yeah, it's like.
Matt does.
Oh, look at this, look, look, look. They knew exactly what kind of video they were getting themselves into.
It'd be pretty cocky of them to like sign their name and then not work.
Let's investigate Zumba Fitness 2, which I will mention is rated T for teen, because these tracks are so hot, children aren't allowed, or 7-year-olds shouldn't have abs like that. Matt, do you have a good angle here? You got this? Remember, 99 cents. Woo!
No, no, no.
There's literally nothing but butt shaking. I see why it's rated T for teen. Oh no! You're supposed to use it with the belt! I'm not proud of what I'm about to have to do. Look, desperate times call for desperate measures.
No.
So it's all about the motion?
I am downwind of this.
All right, we're getting hype. It's not failing me, but I don't think I'm doing anything right here. I've seen Matt dance approximately 3 times in my life.
What?
Each
How is it
time
only 3
was
times?
a life-changing experience. Look at the coordination.
Why aren't you sitting where Matt was sitting?
I will actually. I gotta get the view back. Oh, woo! 99 cents! What could possibly go wrong? So this entire video, I've been letting this system try to update, and I spent a lot of time on this gaming laptop. Remember, it was called the gaming laptop. None of the Dell or NVIDIA drivers work for the graphics. I also can't get the Ethernet working. Weirdly, the Wi-Fi does. And Windows Vista will not update in any way. Hardware acceleration is either disabled or not supported. Are you trying to tell me that I can't even play Minesweeper? There we go, good start. Okay, so, all right. Okay. As it sits right now, considering that I bought it as a gaming laptop, I'm very sad to say, goes in the junk pile. I was hoping it would be better.
Do you want a game?
I do want
Do you want to be gaming?
I would like to do maximum gaming. Please tell me that this is some amazing gaming product that will make my life better.
It is certainly a product.
Oh, look! My Asus graphics card that I still don't know what it is. None of these labels on the back tell me what it is, except that I think it came out of an HP pre-built. Should I just plug this into a modern PC and see if it works?
Yeah.
Something feels really wrong about taking an RTX 3070 out of a system and installing this mystery GPU. It's like taking your steak, throwing it in the garbage, and loading a big slice of Spam and hoping for the best. I am ashamed of how many items in this video, I think, belong in the trash pile.
That sounds like a toy train.
Toy train is very accurate. It also is not functioning. Listen to that. And no videos coming up whatsoever. I regret my decisions deeply today. And that's saying something coming from me. I gotta get a new hobby, man. This shit.
not healthy. This ain't your hobby, boy. This is your job. Don't remind me.